This tech will delete human jobs by 2025. Number 1. AI-generated Hollywood movies. Forget filming, AI now creates entire movies overnight. Will human directors even exist in 2025? This tech already exists, and studios are racing to use it first. Number 2. Smart tattoos that monitor health. Your next tattoo could save your life. These ink sensors warn you before heart attacks happen. But here's the real question. Would you trust a tattoo more than your doctor? Number 3. Self-healing electronics. Shattered your phone. In 2025, it fixes itself. Say goodbye to cracked screens forever. But the real mind-blowing part? This tech could make AppleCare obsolete. Think they'll let that happen? Number 4. AI-powered police predict crime. Cops don't chase criminals in 2025. They stop crimes before they happen. Your AI overlord, sorry. Public servants analyze millions of data points to predict who'll rob a bank tomorrow. Sounds like Minority Report, right? Here's the twist. It's already being tested. Would you trade privacy for safety? Too late, the choice might not be yours. Number 5. Food that customizes to your diet. This steak knows you're vegan. This pizza adapts to your allergies. In 2025, your food morphs to fit your body's needs like an edible personal trainer. But does it taste good? Oh, it's better than the real thing. And that's the problem. Number 6. Emotion sensing billboards. That ads just read your mind. Walk past a billboard stressed. It shows you a beach vacation. Sad? Here's a puppy. These digital signs scan your face 50 times a second, then manipulate your emotions better than your therapist. The future of advertising. It's not just selling products, it's selling feelings. Number 7. AI-generated virtual influencers. Meet your new favorite celebrity who doesn't exist. This AI influencer never sleeps, never ages, and never says no to sponsors. Brands are fighting to work with her, even though she's 100% code. Number 8. Smart dust that cleans the air. Invisible robots are eating pollution in 2025. These microscopic machines swarm cities, devouring smog like Pac-Man, clearing the air faster than trees. The future's clean, but is it safe? Number 9. AI-powered breakup assistance. Text your ex at 2 a.m. Not if your AI bodyguard can stop you. This digital wingman reads your texts, analyzes your terrible dating history, and locks your phone when you're about to embarrass yourself. But who's really in control here? Your heart or the algorithm? Number 10. Dream social media post while you sleep. Your next viral post happens while you're asleep. This headband streams your dreams live, letting followers react to your nightmares with heart emojis. Last night, 12K people watched me fail math class naked. Would you try Dream social media? Comment.